Hey guys, Lane over here with RV Wholesalers, doing another walkthrough video here on the 2022 Palomini 186RBS travel trailer. Perfect little unit here, but as specs before we get started, you're looking at a dry weight of 3,974 pounds, the GVWR of 4,905 pounds, giving you a cargo carrying capacity of 931 pounds. Hitch weight on this guy is going to be very minute. You're going to be at 505 pounds. Exterior height on this is 10 foot 3 inches. Exterior length from tip to tip is 21 foot 9 inches. Exterior width being 7 foot 6 inches. Freshwater carrying capacity 44 gallons. Black water is going to be 38 gallons. Gray water is going to be 30 gallons and a total awning size of 14 foot. Hey guys, Lane here again with RV Wholesalers, doing another walkthrough video here for you. This one's going to be on the Puma Palomini 186RBS 2022 model, and this is the Badlands edition, okay? Beautiful floor plan for your off-grid campers out there. This is an awesome couples coach, plenty of room on the inside to be able to do everything that you wish, but not stay on the inside. Go enjoy the outdoors, because that's what this camper is meant for, all right? When we're talking about the Badlands edition, guys, you do see this real nice front cap with the Line X on it as well. That is that Line X rock guard to be able to give you a little bit added layer of protection. Front windshield power tongue jack. You do have your 30-pound bottle up front as well as your battery. Swinging around to the side over here, all right, we are going to have a deep pass-through storage on such a small unit. It is amazing, okay? It also does have magnet door latches up top, and then it has a metal slam baggage door, okay? A lot of units that are comparable to the Badlands edition of this Palomini, they're not gonna have these slam latches, okay? They're not gonna have metal slam latches, so that means they're plastic. They'll break off. It has the clips on the side. Those will break off. This is built to last and be taken care of, to take care of you guys, okay? Swinging around to the other side here, you're gonna notice that on this Palomini, you have the lights on the end of the awning, all right? Where are you guys spending most of your time? You're spending it outside of the awning, not right up against the camper itself. You got your chairs, you got the campfire out there, things like that. You're not needing lighting up against the camper. You need it away from the camper. That's why they put it on the end, okay? So real cool feature on this as well. Outside features, guys, we are having the outside speakers here. You also have off-grid tires as well as the Torsion Flex axles. If you're not familiar with what those are, basically it's an upgraded axle built for off-road to make sure that that axle is going to be taken care of, okay? If you have any other questions about that, guys, just make sure you call us. We can answer those questions as well, all right? As far as other features, guys, manual stabilizer jacks, TST monitoring system for the tires, which is basically just a tire pressure monitoring system. Sits directly in your vehicle. You can tell what's going on to make sure that you're not overheating, all right? Let's go take a peek inside. All right, guys, now we're on the inside of that 186 Palomini, the 2022 model, all right? Beautiful camper through and through. Like I said, this is a couples coach, all right? As far as how this is set up right this second, this is a nice Murphy bed, okay? This Murphy bed setup right now, guys, is essentially set up for if you are having to stay on the inside of the camper. It's bad weather outside, just before bedtime, whatever it may be. You guys want to sit, watch TV, talk to friends, whatever it is, guys. It is set up for that as we speak, all right? This Murphy bed will essentially convert into a bed when it is officially bedtime, and then at that point, you have your bed that folds over. It does come with a little bit of a comforter or sheets or however you want to, whatever you want to call that, it comes with it, okay? Everything else, obviously, you will need to purchase separately to your liking. This is your camper. You design it how you wish. We got storage across the tops. We also have two 110 outlets on the side and a USB port on the other side. So that's essentially the front. Let's take a peek at the rest. All right, guys, now we're on the other side of the camper here. If you take a peek at the floor plan, you see we just did a quick flip around. You are going to notice that this is the real nice kitchen area, okay? TV backer up front here, so that way you can put your own TV in here. You want a DVD player, you can put it in there as well, or they have even combo ones, TV and the DVD player combined. This is a cool feature down here on the bottom, stainless steel deep farm sink. Also a roll-up sink cover, so that way you don't necessarily have to keep it on here, and it does store away into one of the drawers that are down on the bottom. We do have storage up top here, all right? And it, like I said, comes with a TST monitoring system. On the inside of there as well, it is prepped for a Wi-Fi extender or repeater or whatever you want to call it. Basically, it's set up for that in there. All you have to do is, cap your wires, tie them together. It'll be set up for that. All right, that's right on the inside of here. We do have 2-burner cooktop with glass cover. All right, give you extra counter space if you don't want the cooktop exposed. And then we do have a convection microwave down on the bottom. All right. A lot of people ask, what are these two ththings on the very bottom of this camper, guys? That's going to essentially be your breaker box as well as your carbon monoxide detector. Anywhere that's got propane, you want to make sure you have that. You can't smell it. Any carbon monoxide, so you do want to make sure that you have that to keep you safe when you're on the inside of the camper. Another cool feature, guys, with such a small camper to be able to have this huge 11 cubic foot refrigerator on the inside. Solar panels right now are charging the batteries up, so that's why we see this guy currently running. And so that being said, this is going to run directly off the batteries, which runs off of solar, runs off of when you're plugged into the truck, runs off when you're plugged into shore power. Okay, this is going to be running pretty well nonstop unless, of course, you turn it off at the switch. All right, but very big refrigerator in such a small camper. You do have your thermostat control set up right here, and then swinging around to this other side, we do have storage upon storage, and you have your dinette. Okay, storage underneath that as well. That's going to convert into a bed if you do choose to have it. But that's essentially this living room. Let's go check out the bathroom. All right, guys, stepping into the bathroom, you're going to notice right off the rip, you have your porcelain toilet sitting right there with foot flush capabilities. To the left, you're going to see the big shower. All right, this is a radial shower. It does currently come with the shower rod and curtain. You can obviously switch that out. If that's something that you want to do, guys, you'll have to do it on your own, but I do see a lot of people go to those glass shower doors as you see in some of our other videos. You are having your sink and your medicine cabinet to the right. You all will also have the additional storage there to the left, okay? Big, deep storage for your towels, any bathroom necessities, and things like that, all right? Very nice bathroom on the inside. Plenty of room in here as well, but that's essentially your bathroom. All right, guys, and that's pretty well going to wrap up our 2022 Palomini 186RBS, all right? Again, perfect couples coach. It's half-ton towable. It's also SUV towable, okay? Very small as far as length, but feels very roomy in here with that big slide, all right? This is the Badlands package, so you do have the solar. It does have the off-road package with the tires and things like that. And then, again, guys, any questions you have whatsoever, please feel free to call us at any time. We're here to help answer questions that you may have. And if we can help you out with buying a camper as well, please feel free to call us. We're here to assist. Number over here is going to be 937-843-2074. Again, my name's Lane. I'll see you guys later.